The vision of Steelhead Technologies is to elevate job shop manufacturing in the United States of America to increase its global competitiveness. My name is Jeff Halonen, and I am the CEO and one of the co-founders of Steelhead Technologies. What the Steelhead platform is seeking to deliver to the industry is enhanced capability in every business and production process through digitization, automation, and optimization. So this is going to streamline operations, increase profitability, provide better lead times. Essentially, this critical sector of our society and manufacturing base, they serve everything we touch and drive and feel and buy on a regular basis, whether it's an automobile, a washing machine, a computer. Typically, any device that you're buying goes through a job shop at some point. And when we can take this critical sector of manufacturing and increase their productivity and their ability to serve society, we have a dramatic impact on the entire industrial base of the United States of America. So Steelhead Technologies entered a space that's been around for a long time. The processing job shop industry, there is nothing new about the industry. Steelhead isn't bringing a technology that has never existed. What Steelhead's doing is really an intensive focus on a sector of the manufacturing group that we believe has been significantly underserved. And we've taken a unique approach in a number of different ways. First, starting with a product. Our product is designed to be extremely intuitive and easy to use, what we like to call very low tool friction. And that goes all the way down to the operator level. So that hourly employee that maybe only comes in 3 days a week, that was hired 3 days ago and has to do that really critical task, we want them to not only have the information they need, but we want them to participate in the digital manufacturing experience, because that unlocks an immense amount of data for the enterprise. Secondly, Steelhead Technologies has very early on in our journey encountered a lot of situations where shops had very bad software launches. Sometimes they would pay a lot of money up front. Sometimes they would work on it for 6, 8, 12, 18 months, and then they would pull the plug on it, they'd go back to their old systems. So Steelhead has a very unique approach to this, where we charge little or no money down up front, no long-term commitment. And we also like to deploy lightning fast. So depending on the size of your enterprise, how ready you are, and how much time you have to commit, it can be as little as 2 to 4 weeks to launch your manufacturing plant on Steelhead Technologies. But Steelhead is ultimately in the business of partnerships. We are not in the business of providing you a software and a system and walking away. We have USA-based customer success and deployment resources that are there. We're talking cell phone numbers, emails, call anytime. And we like to get you up and running as fast as possible, but not stopping there. Constantly training, constantly increasing. We might get 5 parts of your business up and running on the platform, and we'll be focused on that 6th and 7th as you have time, so we're continually growing and looking for opportunity to deliver value to your business. The number one priority of Steelhead Technologies is customer service. While we like to bring the best technology possible to the world, we ultimately are here to serve our customers and to elevate their capability and their production, and to alleviate the headaches and the pain that they feel on an everyday basis, and to make their plants and their businesses more productive and improve the lives of their employees.